Hey guys, I'm Ryan Naylor and this is how to play the main riff from Snow Hill by Red Hot Chili Peppers. This was requested by one of my viewers, Mal Fornan. Thanks, Mal. It's a great suggestion, it's a great tune, and it's a real challenge, this one. I can't tell you how many times I just tried to record that intro. It's a lovely little riff, but it takes a bit of work. So what I'll do is I will run you through all the chords and the picking, the progressions, and then I'll let you have some fun with it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not part of the family. Give me a big fat thumbs up if you enjoy the video, it really helps me out. And yeah, let's get stuck in on the nick. Okay, so a close-up to start with on the chords, because we're going to be in the key of G sharp minor, and we have a 1, 6, 3, 7 in the key of G sharp minor. So that gives us G sharp minor to E, to B, and F sharp. Now the chord shapes we're using in this are triads, that is just the 3 notes making up each of the chords. And sometimes the root note, that is a note naming the chord, is not always in the bottom, the lowest note played, so we create some slash chords. And that's what's happening with this first chord. We have the G sharp minor coming out of this shape, but we're just going to grab the notes on strings 5, 4, and 3. And notice my grip as I do this. I find this is the most helpful way of grabbing that as we play the riff. So that's a G sharp minor slash D sharp. G sharp minor with a D sharp as the lowest note. And then we go to the E. Now the E grip, we can do this, which is coming out of a kind of a C shape chord. There's the E. And again, check the fingering there. And then that shape will move up onto the 6th string. And we play the B chord coming out of a kind of a G shape chord. And then we're going to slide up into the 9th fret. Now because I'm coming from this shape, I'm going to use my 3rd finger to slide into the 9th. And I've got a slightly different chord grip there as I did to the E just earlier. So that's the F sharp chord. They're the chords in the first time. So G sharp minor to E, B to F sharp. And then in the second time, when it repeats, we do the G sharp minor, the E, the G, and then we have an F sharp chord, but this time we have the 3rd of the chord, the A sharp in the bass. We have an inverted triad, and that is the shape. Okay, so those are the chords. Now for the riff itself, we're kind of arpeggiating those triad shapes. If I start with the first chord, I'm going 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4 with the picking. So I think Frusciante does alternate picking, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. But what happens is we get a situation of what we call inside picking, when the pick gets caught inside the string pair. So what I prefer to do will be down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. So it's kind of a sort of a mini suite going on between those 2 strings. That's my preferred picking. That's how I've transcribed this with the picking directions. So what we do is going to be down, down, up, down, and then I'm going to up on the 3rd string, and we do a hammer pull. So over the fretting hand, I'm going to use my 3rd finger. I pick that 4th string, hammer on to the 6th fret, and pull that note off. Super quick. Got to make sure that you can get that bit down too. So it's down, down, up, hammer, pull, down, up. Now that pattern is going to be the same throughout, so once you get that down, you're going to be applying that to all the chord shapes. So we start, again, on the G sharp, then we go to the E, exactly the same idea, hammer pull with the 3rd finger, and then as we go to the B chord, exactly the same thing, And then as we go to the F sharp, again as before, sliding up with my third finger. So a little stretch here in the fretting hand, but I think you should be okay. I have to look out here because of this fingering. I do the picking. I'm going to hammer pull with my third finger, and then I'm going to come down with the second finger. Kind of get this crossing of the fingers going on. Then you go back. And it's the same idea as you go to the F sharp. Okay, and that's the riff. I can't do it slow. Let's see if I can do it fast. No, I can't. Whew! That's the riff. So there you go, guys. I hope you found that useful. If you did, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Subscribe for more, and I will see you again very soon. Bye-bye!